Hello, my name is Jacob, screen name Forgotten Hope, and we are here today to talk about EVE Online Planetary Interaction, also called PI for short. This video is an introduction to the things needed to be successful in Planetary Interaction. To start, you'll need any ship that can carry more than 1000 M3, a planetary command center corresponding to the planet at which you'll be starting your PI operation. These can be purchased at some NPC stations in either high security or low security space, or at a local market if another player has seeded them. Next, let's take a look at the skills needed to conduct basic planetary interaction. In addition to the skills needed to fit and operate a basic hauler, you will need the following skills: command center upgrades, interplanetary consolidation, remote sensing, and planetology. Command center upgrades allows you to upgrade your command center so you can build larger outposts. Interplanetary consolidation allows you to control one additional planet per level. Remote sensing lets you access a planet remotely, and planetology lets you better gauge the amount of resources on a given planet. Next, to see what kinds of planets are available in a given solar system, click on the three lines in the top left corner next to the solar system name, and then select orbital bodies. You'll see a list of orbital bodies including the planets and the type of planets available. You can right-click any of these planets, select View in Planet Mode to view the planet in Planet Mode, which will give you additional details needed for planetary interaction. We'll be looking at this in just a moment. Now let's go ahead and undock and take a look at the next part. Now in space, stop your ship, be someplace safe, keep an eye on local, and go to the top left corner, select Orbital Bodies, and select a planet to view in Planet Mode. After a moment, your client will load into Planet Mode. Now in Planet Mode, you can hold and drag with left click to view the planet from all directions. On the left hand side, you have the main PI interface, which you'll use for most tasks relating to developing and maintaining your colony. At the top of the PI menu, you have two options: Build and Scan. Under the Build option, you can select different structures to be constructed on the planet, starting with command centers, extractor control units, processors, storage facilities, spaceports, and planetary links. The purpose of each of these structures will be explained in a future tutorial. Next, let's look at the scan menu, under which you can see the different resources that are available on a given planet, and in what quantities they are available in. The white bar represents quantities available. Left-clicking gives you a heat map of the distribution of a given resource. Different types of resources have different kinds of distributions. Familiarizing yourself with these different distributions will help you more efficiently construct colonies. Now if we look to just below the build and scan menus, you will see a gradient arrayed from left to right. This gradient can be adjusted by dragging either the left or right handle. By adjusting these handles, you can find hotspots or the peak location of a given resource. This concludes the first part of the tutorial series on EVE Online PI. The next part will continue to discuss the workflow and the preparation needed to have a profitable planetary interaction enterprise.